Focus your mind, focus your life. Humor is by far the most significant activity of the human brain. Edward de Bono. I claim that human mind, or human society, is not divided into watertight compartments called social, political, and religious. All act and react upon one another. Mohandas Gandhi. The secret of health for both mind and body is not to mourn for the past, not to worry about the future, not to anticipate the future, but to live the present moment wisely and earnestly. Buddha. Beauty in things exists in the mind which contemplates them. David Hume. All wrongdoings arises because of mind. If mind is transformed, can wrongdoing remain? Buddha.